Hey 8th graders, this is Miss Parente here, and we are looking at our last and final WICS for the Ocean Climate and Weather Unit. This particular objective is to identify the role of the oceans in the formation of weather systems such as hurricanes. The ocean's role in the formation of weather systems is the first on your WICS document for your essential questions. So go ahead and pause the video and read the passage to answer question number 1. Okay, so now that you've come back and answered essential question number 1, you should have been able to come up with why oceans are important in the formation of weather systems such as hurricanes, especially in our particular area. So what is a hurricane? Let's take a further look. A hurricane is a huge storm that can be up to 600 miles across and have strong winds spiraling inward and upward at speeds of 75 to 200 miles per hour. Each hurricane usually lasts for over a week, moving 10 to 20 miles per hour over the open ocean. Hurricanes gather heat and energy through contact with the warm ocean waters, and evaporation from the seawater is what increases their power. Now let's take a look at this video and watch one live in action.
As huge sections of the fishing pier crash into the tumultuous surf. Whoa! Man alive! Whoa! Way to St. George Island. Wow. Oh man, I'm back. Now you know, now you're shooting hurricane. Watch out for the alligator.
Alligator? What? Okay, so as you can see, in a hurricane, it creates a tremendous amount of wind, rain. You could see all of the destruction and damage caused by such an amazingly big storm. So how do these big storms form? Hurricanes are the most violent storms on Earth. They form near the equator over ocean water of 80 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. The atmosphere, or the air, must cool off very quickly the higher that you go. The wind must be blowing the same direction and at the same speed to force the air upward from the ocean surface. As we know, anything that has warm air or warm water rises up, as we've talked about before. Winds flow outward above the storm, allowing the air below to rise up. The Coriolis force is needed to create the spin or the circular motion of this hurricane. If you take a look at the picture below, pause the video now and study this